Are you struggling to hit your goals? Well, here's the thing. I think the solution is that you need a mentor. And I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you need a mentor, which are the reasons why I have one. Well, actually, why I have more than one. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel, we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. So welcome to today's training, and look, I'm really excited to be sharing with you the 5 reasons why you need a mentor. These reasons are how I came to the conclusion that I needed a mentor to achieve my goals, and I expect once you go through them will help convince you that you should have one too. Have you heard the quote that goes something like, your net worth is equal to your net work? It's an interesting concept, isn't it? And it reminds me of another concept that I speak about all the time, which is the notion that you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Who you spend time with, who you associate with, they influence you. They impact your outcomes whether you know it or not. But who you spend time with is only part of the process. You not only need people that are like you, but also people who are where you want to be, people that can guide you on the right path to the goals you want to achieve. So it's important that you find a mentor who has these results, has what it is that you want. Now, before I dive into the 5 reasons, let me give you an outline of my experience. I've always been a do-it-myself guy. I'm happy to do the learning myself, to find the answers, and then implement what I learn. It was, and it's not anymore now that I know better, but it was a stubborn characteristic of my personality. I thought I could do it on my own. And about 6 years ago, I was getting started on my online business journey, became aware of Jeff Walker and quickly became a part of his world and joined his mentorship program. He was the first person that articulated clearly to me the importance of a mentor. He outlined in such simple detail the importance of having someone in your corner who can guide you, show you the path to the success you desire, the success that they've already achieved. And once I understood this concept, it opened my eyes to a faster route to success. So reason 1 as to why I think you should have a mentor is they can help you get to your goals faster. They can transfer their knowledge, their experience to you, so you can learn from that experience and therefore get to your goals faster. And the great thing about the resources we now have with the internet is that you can find a mentor really easily. Like me, one of the ways to get into your desired mentor's world is to buy your way in. Buy their products and become a keen student, then join their mentor program or reach out and ask for their mentorship. I was surprised when I learned that this was even possible. Okay, so the second reason you should have a mentor is that they can identify your blind spots. It's important you recognise up front that you have blind spots. We all have them. So accept that they are there and you can then move on to fixing them. The thing is, you don't know what you don't know. So a mentor can help you find these blind spots, highlight them to you. And this is a great thing about a mentor. They can see the blind spots and they don't have any problems telling you about them. This is a really key success component of having a mentor. They can leave ego at the door and let you know what you need to hear. And your blind spots are a big part of this. We often let our egos get in the way and don't believe we have them or need to hear about them. A mentor will cut through the ego and let you know what you need to hear. And one of the great breakthroughs that I had with my mentors was that I was the roadblock. I was the one getting in my own way. There's no way I could have come to that conclusion on my own. I just wouldn't have had the perspective to see it and then to recognise it, admit it, and move forward. A mentor can and does. Now, the thing with growing a business, whether it's online or offline, sometimes you'll know what you need to change, but you have no idea how. And this is a common problem for entrepreneurs. Changing our habits is something we need to do to achieve our goals. But like I mentioned, it's hard to know what it is that is blocking you, what it is that's causing you to stagnate or fail. A mentor can pinpoint quickly what it is and help you assess what you need to do differently. This could be how you solve problems or overcome obstacles. When you're building a business, there are always going to be obstacles. And I often see people, especially in some of the Facebook groups that I'm a member of, where people project their obstacles onto others and haven't done anything themselves to try to solve the obstacle or problem. We tend to fail because we fail to know how to handle obstacles. Now, a mentor can help coach you, guide you through the process to overcome obstacles and how to solve problems. It's not just about them giving you the answers. It's just as important they help teach you how to solve problems. And the sooner you can develop the skill of solving problems, the sooner you'll get better results. Now, the fourth reason you should get a mentor is that they can see the big picture. Mentors are not about getting bogged down in the minutiae. A mentor can help you work on your business, not in it. They help you concentrate on the big picture so you can move forward with a clear strategy. They can help change your habits and get results without getting bogged down on the technical issues. Now, one of the most important lessons a mentor will share with you is the need to outsource the technical stuff. The tasks that you can pay someone to do that don't generate income for your business. If you want to earn $1 million per annum, you need to be doing the things that generate $1 million and not the things that you can pay someone $20 an hour to do. Now, the final reason you need a mentor, and it's probably my favourite, and that is that they can help be your secret weapon. The fact is, not many people have one. Most people are like I was, thinking they can do it all on their own. So having one is your leverage over your competition. They are your secret weapon. The thing is, every mentor has a skill that's unique to them. They can share the skill with you and give you an edge over your competitors. They can help you stand out, be different, and be better. A mentor can help you get results that others won't because of the extra skills they'll transfer to you, which gives you that edge. They know what works and when to do certain things in your journey to success and growth. And they can help you develop a clear strategy to get from where you are to where you want to be. Faster, like I mentioned in reason number 1. And when you have a mentor, everything falls into place and compounds from there. Now, if you need help with something in your business right now, I highly recommend you find a mentor. Now, look over the 5 reasons that I've just outlined as to why you need one. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Getting a mentor is a smart strategy. It's not a sign of weakness. I know that that was the way I used to think, but after experiencing the benefits of a mentor, I highly recommend you get one too. If you have an online business and you're looking for help, I'm happy to share my experience with you. Seek someone out who you think can help and get them to support you. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and helped you understand the benefits of a mentor and why you should have one if you're serious about achieving the goals that you are seeking. If you have a mission, a mentor is a great addition to your team, even if your team is currently just you. So let's do a quick recap of the 5 reasons you should have a mentor. First is they can help you achieve your goals faster. Then they can identify your blind spots, show you how to change, see the big picture, and finally be your secret weapon. And if you're looking to get started with an online business, or you're looking to take your online business to the next level, then you should join my inner circle, where you'll get access to 30 days of incredible training from a number of industry experts and my personal one-on-one support to help you define your business and start earning an income in the first 30 days. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to get access to my inner circle, click the link in the description and let's build your business in the next 30 days. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget, to get started with my inner circle and building your online business, click the link in the description and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days.